Miss Kristen with the Biggs Museum of American Art. Today we're located on the second floor in our historic collection. And today's Biggs Kids activity is inspired by the Biggs Dover Days events that are happening out on the lawn, as well as this man right here and this portrait of Lockerman. Now, a lot of the historic collection here at the Biggs Museum actually comes from Lockerman's house right around the corner. And this portrait showcasing Lockerman is all about his wealth and his style. So when you look at it, he's standing like he's really powerful. So go ahead and hit that pose. Now, you'll also see he has his nice velvet red suit on, as well as one of the really important fashion statements that you can also see in this portrait behind me, and what is inspiring our activity today, and that is the powdered wigs. Now, don't worry, both of these guys did have hair. It was a fashion and a statement of power and wealth and just the fashion of the time to have these big powdered wigs. So for today's Biggs Kids activity, you're going to be creating your own powder wig out of paper. We also have tissue paper and cotton balls, and you can design and create your own powder wig that you can then wear and come up here to our Lockerman portraits and go ahead and strike that pose and take the picture right along with them. Again, my name is Miss Kristen, and thank you for joining us for this Biggs Kids activity for Dover Days. Bye!